Hey, this is David Groce. Welcome to Texas Tax and Lawman. On Thursday, November 2nd, Congress finally gave us a glimpse of the new tax law. If you didn't know, taxes are my passion. Helping you keep money in your pocket, that turns me on. So the thought that Uncle Sam would change the laws to benefit small business owners and hardworking Americans like you, wow, now that gets me excited. The biggest joke I heard in law school was that taxes are a big, slow process and that we should only change the law slowly so that you and me as Americans could make good decisions based on those laws. So we had the 1934 Tax Act, the 1954 Tax Act, the 1986 Tax Act. Well, I finished law school in 1995. And every year since 1995, we've had a major tax law change. Those usually extend a tax credit, allow a loophole, or create some type of investment like for energy. But this year we had a change in the White House. The candidates for the House, the Senate, and the White House all ran on a platform of tax reform. And finally, in November, they gave us a black and white draft of what that new tax law would look like. And that's good. It simplifies our current tax rate from a 7-layer tax that went from 10, 15, 25, 30, 28, 33, 36, and 39 down to a simple 4 brackets at 15, 25, and 39.6%. The first draft of the new law actually caps the income on small businesses from your LLC or your S Corp at 25%. It gives everyone a larger standardized deduction. So if you're a single individual on Social Security, your standard deduction is now $12,000. For a married couple, it's $24,000. And for your itemized deductions, we got to preserve most of the things that we were really able to deduct. We got to keep our charitable giving deduction. We got to keep our mortgage interest deduction. And if you live in Texas, we kept the property tax deduction. In states with the state income tax or sales tax, yeah, they lose those. But in Texas, we still get to deduct our property tax. The other big change is the child tax credit. The old law phased it out at $110,000. Now that tax credit's going to be good up to $260,000, which helps a lot of my clients. Well, being a tax lawyer, you know I had to actually compare past tax returns to the new law to see if it really made everybody money. Did it really save us money? Well, in the next video, we will show you how that tax change impacted 4 actual client returns. But more than that, we were able to speak with Congressman Bill Flores from the 17th District of Texas. He's a CPA. He's chairman of the House Energy and Commerce Committee. He's chairman of the Republican Study Committee. And he was kind enough to take those 4 returns and run them through the actual calculator they used to make the tax law. We'll see how our calculation compares to his and let you know how much money that saved. So as always, if you liked our videos, please subscribe below, forward our email, share this link with a friend, or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Thanks for taking time today to zero in on taxes with the Texas Tax and Lawman. Adios. Texas Tax and Lawman legal disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is informational only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.